Okay, we are proving many questions. The next question, so that 1 plus 1 plus 2 by 2 factorial plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 by 3 factorial plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 over 4 factorial plus dot 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 equal 3e by 2. This is important question. Now the solution, dear students. The nth term of the given series is, firstly the nth term of the given series is Tn equal 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus to n by 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3, 4 and up to n factorial. This is the sum of the natural number, that is n plus 1 by 2, and this is n factorial. We obtain this part. Then, dear students, we can separate, we can manage this. This is n factorial, n times n plus 1 by 2 n minus 1. This we have changed this, n minus 1 factorial, n minus 1 factorial, n plus 1 by 2 into n factorial. N factorial is n times n minus 1 factorial. That's why n cancel, equal to n plus 1 by 2 times n minus 1 factorial equal n minus 1 term we can develop, n minus 1 plus 2 over 2 times n minus 1 factorial equal n minus 1 by, we can separate this now, n minus 1 by 2 times n minus 1 factorial plus 2 by 2 times n minus 1 factorial equal to cancel. Then upper is n minus 1, lower is 2 times n minus 1 times n minus 2 factorial plus 1 over n minus 1 factorial equal, this term cancel, 1 by, we obtain 1 by 2 times n minus 2 factorial plus 1 over n minus 1 factorial. Therefore Tn equal 1 by 2 times n minus 2 factorial plus 1 over n minus 1 factorial. Now putting n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, T1 equal, in this term we can put 1. Let me solve systematically. 2 times 1 minus 2 factorial plus 1 over 1 minus 1 factorial equal 1 over 2 times minus 1 factorial plus 1 by 0 factorial equal 1 over minus 1 factorial infinity, 2 times infinity infinity plus 1 by 0 factorial equal 1 by infinity is 0 plus 1 equal to 0. This is very important part to understand. Similarly, T2 equal 1 by 2 times 2 minus, this is 2 minus 2 is 0 factorial plus 1 by 1 factorial equal 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 factorial. And T3 equal 1 by 2 times 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial. And T4 equal 1 by 2 times 2 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial and plus this much. t4. Now adding them, then we get t1, t2, t3, t4. We have to add them. t1 plus t2 plus t3 plus t4 equal, first one is 1 plus t2 is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 factorial plus t3 is 1 by 2 times 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial plus t4 is 1 by 2 times 2 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial and so on. Then 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, we have to collect 1 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 times 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 times 2 factorial plus so 1 plus this is 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial and so on equal 1 by 2 is common, here remains 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial plus so on plus this is 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial plus so on. We can do this, then this is 1 by 2 times this is e plus that is also e equal 3e by 2. You can write e equal 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial. Justification you can write factorial dot dot dot. In this way we can prove the equal to RHS proved. In this way we can prove this question. Next question. So that 1 plus 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial plus 1 by 6 factorial dot 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 all over 1 plus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 5 factorial plus 1 by 7 factorial plus equal e square plus 1 by e square minus 1. LHS solution. Solution, no LHS. We have to start the solution. We know that e to the power x equal 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus so on, and therefore e equal 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial plus dot 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 1. This is equation 1. E to the power minus 1 equal, that is 1 by e equal 1 minus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial plus this is second. We have to suppose from with the help of this by putting power here 1 and by minus 1 we will get these two relation, and after obtaining these two relation, now adding first and second these two equation, if we add e plus 1 by e plus 1 by e equal, if we add 1 that will be 2. 1 by 1 factorial minus 1 by 1 factorial can be cancelled. 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial is 2 by 2 factorial plus 2 by 4 factorial plus 2 by 6 factorial plus dot dot dot. It will be e square plus 1 by e equal, while taking 2 common, 1 plus 1 by 2 factorial 1 by 4 factorial plus 1 by 6 factorial plus so on. or by taking by multiplying this, e square plus 1 by 2e equal 1 plus 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial plus 1 by 6 factorial plus dot dot dot. This is supposed by a. Now we have to suppose this is a. Again subtracting second from first, e minus 1 by e equal, in this case, let me show you again, e minus 1 by e. If we have to subtract this to this, 1 minus 1 can be cancelled, and 1 by 1 factorial minus plus 1 by 1 factorial, that will be 2 by 1 factorial. Similarly 2 by 3 factorial, even will term can be cancelled and odd term will be remaining there. That's why 2 by 1 factorial plus 2 by 3 factorial plus 2 by 5 factorial plus so on we will get. This is e square minus 1 by e equal 2 common, 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 5 factorial and so on, or e square minus 1 by that 2 times e, 2e equal 1 by 1 factorial is 1 plus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 5 factorial plus 1 by 7 factorial in that same pattern. This is supposed by b. Now we are nearer to our conclusion or the solution. Now dividing a by b. While dividing a by b, dividing a by b, then what we'll get? E square plus 1 by 2e whole over e square minus 1 by 2e equal 1 plus 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial plus 1 by 6 factorial plus so on whole over 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 5 factorial plus 1 by 7 factorial and so on. Now our result, 2e cancel, therefore you can write this first, 1 plus 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial plus 1 by 6 factorial plus whole over 1 plus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 5 factorial plus 1 by 7 factorial plus equal e square plus 1 by e square minus 1 proved. In this way we can prove this solution. Instruction is sum to infinity the following series. The question is 1 plus 3 by 1 factorial plus 5 by 2 factorial plus 7 by 3 factorial plus and so on. We have to find. Now the solution, dear students, let Tn be the nth term of the given series. 1 plus 3 by 1 factorial plus 5 by 2 factorial plus 7 by 3 factorial plus so on. Then Tn equal, you have to find the sum of 1, 3, 5, 7, that is your odd numbers. Yeah, nth odd number. Nth odd number is, first odd number is 1. The formula is 2n minus 1. you have to check tn terms. That's why I have written 2n minus 1 over 1 factor 1. Here is 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial. So this will be n minus 1 factorial, because here will be 1, 0 minus 1 minus 1, 0 factorial 1. Here should be 1 factorial, 2 minus 1 by 1 factorial. Here should be 2 factorial, 3 minus the third term is 3 minus 1 is 2 factorial, and so on. So tn's term would be this. You have to find 1 plus 3 plus 5, 7 is 2n minus 1, nth term is, and here 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial is n minus 1 factorial. So we have to arrange this 2n minus n minus 1 terms. We have to develop 2 plus 1 is minus 1 by n minus 1 factorial. From first two terms, minus 2 by n minus 1 factorial plus 1 by n minus 1 factorial equal 2 is common over 1 by n minus 1 by n minus 1 times n minus 2 factorial plus 1 over n minus 1 factorial. Then that can be cancelled. We obtain 2 by n minus 2 factorial plus 1 by n minus 1 factorial. Therefore tn equal 2 by n minus 2 factorial plus 1 by n minus 1 factorial. First part is this. Now putting the values of n is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now putting the value of n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, then what is t1? Therefore t1 equal, we can put that 2 by 1 minus 2 factorial plus 1 by 1 minus 1 factorial, 2 by minus 1 factorial plus 1 by 0 factorial. I have clearly done this. 2 by infinity plus 1 by 1 equal, this is 0 plus 1 will be 1. First part is I have shown. This is very important part. Then 2 equal 2 by 2 minus 2 factorial plus 1 by 2 minus 1 factorial equal to, by solving this, 2 by 2 minus 0 factorial is 2 plus 1 by 1 factorial, and therefore t3 equal to, in the same way you can find t3 is 2 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 3 minus 1 factorial equal 2 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial. Therefore t4 equal 2 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial. Then adding this, then adding them, that t1 plus t2 plus tt plus t4 equal, t1 is 1 plus t2 is 2 plus 1 by 1 factorial plus t3 is 2 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial plus t4 is 2 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial. So you have to remember the pattern: 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial to 1 by 2 factorial, 1 by 3 factorial, that gives e. So in that way you have to think. Now remaining terms are 2 plus 2 by 1 factorial plus 2 by 2 factorial plus one type of terms are these, plus another is 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial, and so on. Then 2 is common, 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial plus so on, plus this will be e. 2 times e plus e equal to 3e. Answer. In this way we can show this answer. Next question is same instruction. The question is 1 plus 1 by 1 dot 2 plus 1 by 1 dot 2 dot 3 plus dot 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 times 1 minus 1 by 1 dot 2 plus 1 by 1 dot 2 dot 3 plus minus. The solution is here is 1 plus 1 dot 2 is 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 dot 2 dot 3 is 1 by 3 factorial plus this term is this, and here is it can be written 1 by 1 factorial also. One is 1 by 1 factorial minus 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial minus 1 by 4 factorial and so on. Then we have to convert in terms of e, we have to change the pattern, so we need 1 here. Minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial plus minus 1 plus 1. I have subtracted 1, added 1 to make this pattern. And similarly here also 1 minus 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial minus 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial minus 1 by 4 factorial plus dot 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 dot. Here 1 minus 1, here minus 1 plus 1 to develop that pattern. Let's see. This is minus 1 plus e, no doubt, and here 1 minus, while taking minus common, 1 minus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial plus dot dot dot. We have to develop that pattern. Minus 1 plus e times 1 minus this all whole term is also e to the power minus 1. So minus 1 plus e times 1 minus e to the power minus 1, or simply we can multiply. Simply we can minus 1, 1 ja minus 1, minus 1 minus e to the power minus 1 plus e to the power minus 1 plus e and 1 plus e and minus e and e to the power minus 1. So what we obtain, e plus e to the power minus 1 and this minus 1 and this also 1, minus 1 becomes, so e plus e to the power minus 1 minus 2 is the answer for this solution. Next question, same instruction. 1 plus 2 by 2 factorial plus 1 plus 2 e square by 3 factorial plus solution for this. Let Tn be the nth term of the given series. Then of given series 1 plus 2 by 2 factorial plus 1 plus 2 square by 3 factorial and so on. Then Tn equal 1 plus 2 square plus dot 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 plus 2 to the power n minus 1 by n factorial, because first term is 2 to the power, first term is 1, that's why 1 minus 1 0, 2 to the power 0 will be 1 and 2 and 2 and the raising power 1 less. In that sense it is raised. So we have to find the series, the sum of this geometric series, that will be a Rn minus 1 by R minus 1 n factorial equal 2 to the power n minus 1 by n factorial. Then we can 2 to the power n by n factorial minus 1 by n factorial. This is this. Then putting the values of n equal 1 2 3 4 and so on and so on. And so on. T1 equal 2 to the power 1 by 1 factorial minus 1 by 1 factorial equal 2 by 1 factorial minus 1 by 1 factorial. Therefore T2 equal 2 square by 2 factorial minus 1 by 2 factorial equal 2 square by 2 factorial minus 1 by 2 factorial. T3 equal 2 power cube by 3 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial. T4 equal 2 to the power 4 by 4 factorial minus 1 by 4 factorial. Now adding them, T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4 equal 2 by 1 factorial minus 1 by 1 factorial plus 2 square by 2 factorial minus 1 by 2 factorial plus 2 cube by 3 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial plus 2 4 by 4 factorial minus 1 by 4 factorial plus then these 2 3 4 terms we have to collect. 2 by 1 factorial plus 2 square by 2 factorial plus 2 cube by 3 factorial plus 2 to the power 4 by 4 factorial and this minus common minus common 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial. After that 2 is common. 1 by 1 factorial or 1 only plus 2 by 2 factorial plus 2 square by 3 factorial plus 2 cube by 4 factorial minus 1 plus 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial. Then we know 2 times this is 1 plus 2 by 1 factorial 2 by here 2 square by 2 is common. 2 by 2 factorial is 2 by 2 factorial is 2 by 2 into 1 factorial, it can be cancelled, plus 2 square by 2 by 2 factorial x by 1, then okay, no doubt 2 by 2 factorial 2 square by 3 factorial plus 2 cube by 4 factorial. Okay, first this step. After that you can add 1 here and you can subtract 1 here. Here is minus sign, 1 can be cancelled to change into the power. We know that e to the power x is 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus so on. So 1 plus x is 2 by 1 factorial, 2 square by 2 factorial, 2 cube by 3 factorial. So it can be written as e to the power 2, e to the power 2. Then 1 plus 1 by 1 factor, 1 by 2 factor, 1 by 3 factor, 1 by 4 factorial, it is a. So the answer is, you can just for your understanding,